Cars have come a long way from the early days. No one could have predicted self-driving cars, built-in Wi-Fi, alternate fuels, solar cars, and who knows what comes next. 3D printed cars, flying cars. The sky really is the limit. Do you know there's one thing all these vehicles throughout history have had in common? They all need a skilled professional to work on them. And you could be that person. If the thought of getting your hands on the classics to the latest technology thrills you, then check out the Ford Maintenance and Light Repair program at Fayetteville Tech. Designed by the Ford Motor Company, this program is a great way to enter the high-tech, challenging world of automotive technology. While in the program, you'll gain valuable hands-on experience using the latest Ford diagnostic tools. In the state-of-the-art shop, you'll learn to perform regular maintenance on all types of vehicles, complete minor or light repairs, and install replacement parts on all types of cars, SUVs, and light trucks. In addition, you will earn Ford Service Technician specialty training credentials in steering and suspension, brake systems, electrical and electronic systems, and climate control. With Ford Motor Company's certification as a maintenance and light repair technician, you can go straight to work with a Ford dealer immediately, or you can continue your education at Fayetteville Tech and earn an associate degree in applied science, learning more and earning more. Either way, you can rest assured that a career as an automotive technician is practically a guarantee of steady work. No matter what the cars of the future look like or how they are powered, people will always need to get them repaired, and you will be there to help. If you are ready to get on the road to an exciting future, contact FTCC today.